Here's a great deal on a 2011 Toyota Sequoia. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a leather steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats, and cruise control. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.